Hi, I'm Maureen Murphy with Escada Hair and Beauty Spa, and I'm here today to show you how to make dimples appear deeper. Typically, what you want to do when you want to enhance a feature is you want to highlight it. But today we're going to do the exact opposite. We're going to shade the dimples. So what you need to start is a little bit of bronzer, and I do have a little bit of highlighter just to highlight around it. So what you want to do is you want to find out where your dimples are, and here's one right here, and we're going to just lightly put a little bit of bronzer in there. Now what we want to do is highlight around it with a little bit of highlighter, and you can even go right over it as well. So by doing this, it makes your dimples appear deeper. Again, my name is Maureen Murphy with Escada Hair and Beauty Spa. Come on down to see us in Norwood, Massachusetts.